How to fix Windows freezing randomly. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys few methods to solve if your Windows is freezing or lagging randomly. So the first thing you're going to have to do is check your display resolution, because sometimes if your display resolution is not on the recommended side, then you might be having issues like those. Go ahead and open settings, go to system. From here find display. Now just scroll down and find the recommended scale first. So I am on my recommended scale. Then change your display resolution to the highest or the recommended one. This is the first method that you can try to do. Second thing you can do is update your drivers. So to check if there are any updates, go to your settings, find Windows Update on the left side of your screen. And from here, you're going to go to advanced option. And once you get here, you'll see optional updates. And if you have any device or driver updates, you can find those here as well. So if I just go to optional updates, you could just go ahead and download and install these updates from here. I'm not going to do that right now, but you could do that. So if you have any available updates like these. And the next step is to clean up your disk. In order to do that, go to the search bar and then simply search for disk cleanup. Hit enter. Now select the disk that you want to clean up. I'm just going to select my default C drive. Click on clean up. Let's just go again, disk cleanup, and then click on OK. It will automatically get all of the junk files, so you can uninstall all of the unnecessary files from here. If you click on clean up system files, you'll be good to go. Now from here, the next step is to optimize your drive. So just type in defragmentation or defragment and optimize drives. Just open this up. Now this it has a particular case that you need to do. So if you have an SSD or a solid state drive, you don't need to optimize this. So you are only going to do this if you have a HDD or hard disk. So click on the drive that you want to optimize and then click on this option right here if you have an HDD. Now finally, the final step is to go to the search bar, simply search for system configuration. Go to services. Now click on hide all Microsoft services and you're going to disable all of the unnecessary services from here. Click on OK and you should be good to go. After doing this, your PC should start working normally and the lags should be reduced, or if not, completely gone. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.